In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Nutella milkshake recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of Nutella, 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and half a cup of milk. In a blender, add the milk, and the Nutella, and blend until combined. Once blended, add in the ice cream and blend until completely distributed. We're going to pour our milkshake out into a glass. Our Nutella milkshake is complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.